Good afternoon, guys. Today I just got myself a copy of Forza Horizon for Xbox 360, and this will be a unboxing. I sort of started to unbox it, but I was like, wait, let me get my camera out. So let's get unboxing. Cut the seal of authority. Cut the plastic, which I don't think I can get. I love when you get an Xbox. It feels like Christmas. A game for Xbox feels like Christmas because this is what you have to do. Plastic. And here's the game. Open the game. This is how it looks inside. Forza Horizon. It does not come in a manual. Very disappointing. I thought it would come in a manual. But oh well. That's unboxing of Forza Horizon. I know I'm late with the unboxing of this. It's just that it got very cheaper, and I was like, hey, might as well just get it because you know me, I'm on a budget. Alright guys, catch you guys later. If you guys want me to start doing gaming videos, give me some advice on how to. And I know there is some kind of, I think, game recorder out there. Just give me some game recorders that are cheap, and whichever one I find is cheap, reasonable, I will start making gaming videos. So like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye. Sunday Extra.